Yeah, I know. It's been a while.
Get him out of here!
But the 2026 drift season is right around the corner, and I just signed up for the April event at Lock City Drift. So I need to get my car ready. And in today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down what I need to get my car ready for the 2026 drift season. So to start off, yes, I am in my college dorm because it is still college season and I still need to be in college. But this is my 2026 drift season breakdown. I'm gonna be going through a list and showing you what I've done to get ready for the drift season. So to start off the list, we have refurbish, then sell. You guys may be wondering what that means. I got gifted wheels from my friend Zach for free, 19-inch rims. I run an 18, so I can't run these wheels. What I'm gonna do is refurbish them and then sell them for profit because I'm in college and I'm broke and I need the money. That money is gonna go to my drift car and what I need to buy things for drifting.
So to start off cleaning these wheels, I decided to use this red cherry scented Diablo stuff from Chemical Guys, and then I decided to scrub it, and that didn't go too well. Just gonna start by. But after that, I decided, hey, why not try and use a wire brush? And yes, I know it could be stupid, but hey, I tried it, and of course, it didn't go too well. But then after that, I decided, F it, I'm going to use sandpaper because I really don't care and I'm selling them. And it kind of leaves it ready for paint and polish or the person who buys it wants it, you know? So then this is how the wheels turned out. I think they came out pretty good. And then I posted them up on Facebook and I got an offer really quick, which I ended up selling them for $300.
So what you guys see next on the list is test fitment. And what I mean by test fitment is Zach, again, came in clutch. He got me 1.5-inch spacers for my fronts because my wheels have a trash offset. And I mean, terrible. We're gonna go test that fitment and we're gonna see how it goes.
Jared pulled up. He's gonna come help, but damn. Look at this fitment sucks. Even with the thick boy.
Yeah.
See that shit? And then you come over and look at my car. We got the full battle stance.
Beauty.
I know.
Beauty, look at that.
With the stretched tires. This sometimes likes to pop out.
What the?
So I just push it back in there.
Bro. The double spacer. Holy. Jerry, come up here and look.
It scares me every time.
Next on the list is buy and put on coil. You guys may be wondering what that means. It means that I bought coilovers and they're better than the ones I have on right now. I need to go and buy them and then test fit them and put them on my car and lower my car even more.
All right, boys, again, Zach came in clutch and he put the coilovers in for me. I had to do zero work. What a guy. But we ended up seeing this nice Acura that was getting some of these mods done to it, which is kind of sick, but then this is how the car turned out. I think it's great. I love it. I love how low it is, and I can't wait to see it on the track.
The next on the list is put coil packs in. Coil, ignition coils. I need those because my car is making an horrendous misfire and it's either the ECU or the coil packs. I bought those and we're gonna put those in.
So boys, we are here with the car. We finally got the coil packs in. We're about to put them in and hopefully this car will actually run better with these coil packs in. It's because I'm really sick of the misfire. So let's put them in and see how it runs. The first new black and shiny coil pack in. We got all the coil packs in, so we're gonna put on the air intake and we're gonna see how it runs. Now that the air intake's on, let's go test it. We still got an engine light on. We're gonna have to read that. Seems to be running healthy. I'll cut back if anything happens.
You can kind of hear it from the exhaust that it's still misfiring a little bit. Yeah, you hear that? Right there. It's definitely because of the tune. There's no other explanation for it.
We're gonna scan this thing and find out what's wrong. So we had one code as you saw, but I erased it. Now we don't have any check engine lights or anything. Oh, you hear that? That's a misfire. Oh my God, that's a bad misfire. Yeah, that's a bad misfire. I don't know what's going on anymore because I've replaced spark plug, coil, fix everything. I really don't know what else. I might run seafoam through it so it could clean out the injectors in case that's it. But dude, that thing is shaking like bad. I don't know what else to do. I'm pretty sure it's the tune because the tune is absolutely downright horrendous. As y'all saw, it didn't help. So next on the list, buy ECU. Yeah, I have to go buy an ECU and get my key programmed or whatever I need to do to get my car working. Jared decided to embark on this journey with me. It was only an hour-and-a-half ride to the place to get this ECU, so it wasn't that bad, but we ended up seeing this weird car on the way there. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of weird. But as we pulled up, we saw this FD-RX-7, and he started it for us. We ended up getting the ECU from him, and we're installing it in the next video. So as you can see, I wrote down here on the list is wheel bearings, tires, and oil change. Those are normal essentials I need for the drift event that I think are going to be too boring for this video after I've completed all of these. So let me check them off now. So now that I've completed them all, that means I can get these 3 done and then get ready for the 2026 drift season. So right now, we're going to do a price breakdown on how much it's costed me to get ready for just 2026. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I went to a junkyard with Jared and we bought a diff because my diff was blown and we pulled it with only hand tools. So let me cut to that.
We use hand tools to take this diff, this G35. We didn't remove anything else. We didn't remove the exhaust. We didn't remove the sway bar. Literally unbolted everything and shimmied it out of the car. And it's open.
It's an open diff. This is perfect.
So right here behind me is how much it's costed me to get ready for the 2026 drift season. Let's start with it. We have CoilOvers costing me $250. Coil packs costing me $75. The diff costing me $124. The ECU costing me $300. The wheels I sold for $300. The helmet I bought for $150. The ticket was $151, and I still have miscellaneous. So for miscellaneous, for oil change, wheel bearings, I think that's it. That's probably almost close to $200 right there for miscellaneous. So let me do the breakdown and the math, and I'll tell you how much I've spent. $950 was my total to get 2026 drift season ready as a college student. Now, some of you guys might think that's an outrageous price, but it was worth it. I had a lot of things break during the off season and after my first event. I knew what I was getting into with my car. My car was shit from the start, so I had to re-up it. So I'm kind of glad it only came out to this much. I thought it would be so much more expensive, but damn, that's a lot of money. And I don't even think I counted the miscellaneous yet. So I think it would be over $1,150. So lots of money as a college broke student. But thank you all, boys. If you like the video, subscribe. I'll see y'all later.